lot of chips in this particular pass.
Yeah.
Another cutter I want to try that take a heavier pass than this, faster.
That's okay. Giving great finish on this. How much material are we taking off here? About?
That's about 100,000. I just do it in one pass, and we're getting a great finish because I'm not pushing the feed rate too fast.
Right.
Now we're going to take this part to length. And that's a big 16mm carbide end mill. We'll just hog the material off both ends.
That does not care.
Grab a little 8mm end mill here and put the notches in there for the 3/8 dowel pin. Now we're going to spot drill for the screws that hold the vise onto the vise base. Next, we're going to tap drill. So we're going to tap drill those same 8 holes. Crank this puppy up so we can plunge it just one shot. We're going about 1 inch deep. The great thing about working with carbide, you can really push it. And then we're going to tap it.
Putting that tap in there so fast.
Yeah, it's nice.
In the old days, they did all this by hand.
Yep, it's all done by hand.
All the machining was set up on a mill, which is why the old parts oftentimes have a lot of variability between them.
There it is.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.